We see you. Nice MR. Got to see if I locked the car. Yes. All right, welcome to Hollywood. We're gonna go ahead and take a little trip down here. See the sights and sounds of LA, see what they have to offer. So we just paid visit. Somebody on her shirt. Oh, Disney. So this is where all the congestion is gonna start happening. Right at Madame Tussauds, right up there. You can already see it getting crowded. Somebody's missing their legs and their torso. Transformer by night, fruit seller by day. And there's that magnificent Madame Tussauds that we're talking about. So that's probably one of the biggest ones, I think. Pretty much a wax museum. And there it is, Chinese theater.
If hearing the gospel it makes you angry, if it makes you
with some Christianity on the side.
Religions do not lead to God. All religions do not lead to heaven. Whatever you believe, a lot of people say, well, whatever you believe, that's fine. No, that's not what God's word says.
There's actually two people we want to see over here. One is Arnold Schwarzenegger, the second one is Marilyn Monroe. Two big icons for me. Let's go find them. What about you? Who do you want to see?
The Bible says none of us is right.
No? You don't know? Alright, Marilyn Monroe should be over there somewhere and Arnold's to the left. Let's go find him. It's Tom Hanks. And here's Marilyn Monroe. She actually has her pearl in here. You can tell from the side, it's all beat up. That's because people always try to come and steal it. But there she goes. It's her tiny little hand. On a side note too, look how small her feet were. So just to the left, like I was saying, we found Arnold Schwarzenegger. His hand and his feet.
Put the feeties in there.
Alright, we'll be back.
Say, I'll be back.
And speaking of Marilyn Monroe, there she is, the day that she put her hands up in that little cement. So continuing our way down the street, so back that way where we just came from was the Chinese theater. And behind us, we're going up, we're gonna go try to see the Hollywood sign. So this little mall shopping center area on the other end, you can actually see the Hollywood sign. Not too many people know that because they don't really come up here. They basically come here for the whole Walk of Fame stars type of thing. So if you have time, come out this way, you can snag a good picture like we're about to do.
Mommy don't want to get wet.
And there's the Hollywood sign, just like I was talking about. So you can see it pretty good by the eye's point of view, just from standing right here where these two are. And since we're up here, just a brief little overlook. We're not gonna go through the shopping malls or anything, but there's a little water fountain, escalators down that way where we came up, and the elevator was right over there. I think I failed to mention it too, the parking garage that we parked in, it said $21, but as we were pulling in, the lady said, no, $10. So we took her word for it. So hopefully we don't have to pay that price. Right behind me is the Dolby Theater. So Heather wanted me to show you guys this. That's the new one where they do all the premieres and everything like that. Down there's the lobby for it. And as I was looking down here, you can see little faces implemented into the flooring. It's pretty cool. No idea who it is or what they represent, but they are there. Along with some legs, just saw that too. Here's the ceiling. Pretty cool. So it's home of the Oscars. What else? Looks like X Factor.
No, it's America's Got Talent.
Oh, America's
And
Got Talent.
Saying that on the tour for the last Oscars, you get to learn where some of your favorite celebrities at. So it shows you the room of where they hold everything. And I think the celebrities come in from the second floor and they walk in. But on the they're doing a tour right now.
So there you have it. If you're interested in what celebrities do, you might want to come down and see it. I mean, for me, they're just another person that have entertainment for you. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty cool. Came down those stairs. So this is one of the few intersections that we cross in pretty much every single way. What do? They call it like the octagon intersection?
I thought it was diagonal.
Diagonal? Yeah, well, we crossed like a whole bunch of places at one time. See what I mean?
It's like we're in a different country.
So if I were a street performer, I'd be somewhere on this intersection. But no, you have to stop. And it wouldn't be Hollywood without Scientology. What a load of shit. Just because we're crunched on time, we're gonna head back that way. Alright, so far I've seen like 3 Supermans, like 4 Minnie Mouses, 1 Mickey Mouse, 2 or 3 Transformers, a Chewbacca,
Captain Sparrow, Jack Sparrow.
Yep, some Pirates of the Caribbean guys. What else?
Wolverine.
Yeah, Wolverine and Captain America.
I didn't see Captain.
So apparently if you grow a beard and everything else like that, you could probably be Captain America. There's the Dolby Theater. And the escalators that we went up earlier. So right across from the Dolby Theater, we got where they premiere for a lot of the Disney movies, right up over here. There's Batman, I see you. See?
I wonder how much they are.
I see him. I see Wolverine. Oh my god, there's a clown. Oh no, he wants your balloon. So if you can see the difference of all the people on that side compared to over here, night and day. So just because he's not harassing us, I spot a guy from The Hangover. Let me go ahead and give him $1. Hey buddy, just because you're not harassing us.
How about that right in?
Oh, the right end? Let's see.
Where are you guys from?
Oh, we're from Lancaster, Palmdale. So.
You came all the way from Lancaster and Palmdale just to see me?
Oh yeah.
I promised I was gonna cry.
Actually, you found us, sir. Let's see. There you go. Hey, have a good one.
Appreciate it.
I think it's time to go. Is it time to go? Pretty smart. Alright, well, we're pretty much at the end of the strip. That's gonna end our little day trip to the
Walk of Fame.
The Walk of Fame. It wasn't too eventful. It's pretty busy, and we've done a lot of that stuff in the past, but we'll have to come back. If you guys want anything in particular, let us know down in the comments below. And other than that, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna head up to the front because we actually didn't do that prior to coming over here. We actually parked right here in that infrastructure, and we're heading right across the street to it's basically where you want to start your journey if you want to, and you'll see what that means when we get there. A whole bunch of empty stars for whoever is the next person to make it big. Alright, last one, the Dead End Kids. And we're actually coming over here. So this is the starting point, and if there could be one star to rule them all, it would be that one, not that guy over there sleeping. So, there's the whole right side of Walk of Fame and the whole left side right here on Hollywood Boulevard. One ticket for parking. Hey, I know that was a weird way to end the vlog, but let us know what you want to see and then we'll make it happen. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.